Hi teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be making glitter and heart slime. So you're going to need some clear glue, some baking soda, some contact solution, red glitter, which is optional. This package has some little hearts. These are red, there's pink, different shades of pink. And these are what's used on nail art. Found these on Amazon. And a half a cup of warm water. So first what we're going to do is, you'll need some half a cup measuring cup, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, and a half a teaspoon measuring spoons. So the first thing we're going to do is take the half a teaspoon measuring spoon, and we're going to get half a teaspoon of baking soda and add that to our warm water. And just stir that up until it's nice and dissolved. Okay, we're just going to let that set and cool. And next we're going to get half a cup of glue and put that in our bowl. Just going to use a spoon to rake that out of the measuring cup. Okay, so next we're going to stir in the baking soda and water solution into the mixing bowl. I'm just going to pour a little bit at a time and stir it as I go. This is helping to kind of thicken things up a little bit and make it more like slime. Okay, so if you want to make it, since this is going to be clear, if you want to make it more like a pink or a red color, you can always add some red food coloring to it as well. The next thing I'm going to do is add the hearts and the glitter. So I'm going to just shake some hearts in here, and then I'm going to put the glitter in. Mix up the hearts and then add the glitter. Okay, we're going to mix that together. Now that I'm looking at this, I might have put a little too much glitter. So you may not want to put too much on there because my hearts are blending in. The next thing is the contact solution. we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of it, and you can always add another tablespoon at a time. This adds to thicken it up as well. Let's see how that does. It does thicken more too as it sets. I can already tell that it's thickening up some. I'm going to add another tablespoon. And let's see how this does. It's definitely getting thicker. As I said, we've made slime in the teen department a few times now, so I've learned that as it sets, it will get thicker. But that's definitely thicker than what it was, so it's getting more like slime. So you just keep stirring it until you get it the consistency that you want. If you want it to be really, really thick, you can add some more contact solution, but just add a tablespoon at a time. And then after you're finished and satisfied with the thickness, you can knead it. And then as far as storage, you can use a gallon Ziploc bag or a plastic container with a lid. So there is the glitter and hearts slime. See you next time.